This car is driving, y'all. Look at this car. Look at this car driving itself. It is going around. Look at this car.
Oh. We duck, no smoke. We die, no smoke. We duck, no smoke. We die, no smoke. We duck, we duck, we dodge, we dodge, we duck, we duck, we dodge, no smoke. We duck, no smoke.
Hey, it's your man, E-Vapors. E-Vapors Tesla Racing. And we're back in the Tesla. And today's video, we're doing full self-driving, man. So we're in after work traffic, as they say. And we're in full self-driving, and actually it's in autopilot. So when you see autopilot, and I don't have a destination in too. So without a destination on autopilot, it's not on what's called navigate on autopilot, all right? So you see the two blue lines spaced out. That's just your everyday autopilot that all Teslas have. And we're just gonna kind of see how it operates in traffic. You can see the different cars that are pulling up beside us and passing us, and how we want to see how it responds in real time. And I'm not touching the steering wheel at all. Like we're just sitting here. All right, so we're about to brake. I'm not doing anything. I like it. I like the control. I like being able to just sit back here and, you know, keep your hand close to the wheel, because you don't have to, you know, hold the wheel. You just need to have your hand close, just to be ready, just in case you need to take over. But you literally can sit back, rest your legs, rest your ankles, because that's where the driver fatigue comes in. All right, look here. It's saying we need to touch the wheel. So I just touched the wheel just a little bit there. And that message goes away. All right, we have our cruise control set to its max. You see what the current speed is, and it's not taking us above the current speed limit. Now, it's recognizing that there's a traffic light ahead also. Currently, that light is green, and you see the green line here. We're gonna proceed right on through. I'm not doing anything. I'm not touching anything. Like I said, you can see the steering wheel there. Hey, we rolling. We are rolling. And if I were to put in a destination, which I am going to do, I'm going to put a destination in. Just we want to see if the navigate on autopilot will actually come on. Navigate on autopilot. All right, because we're like in town traffic. In town traffic, you're not going to have the single blue line. On the highway, you'll have the single blue line, and that is full self-driving. That's the difference. Full self-driving. If you need to change lanes, it'll change lanes for you if you have it set. You don't have to hit the turn stalk to confirm that that you want the car to actually change lanes. I think that's pretty cool. It'll say, hey, the car in front of you is going too slow. How about we get over? Matter of fact, let's hit the turn signal now. So you see that? Car got right on over. Boom. And the turn signal went off on its own as well. If we were on full self-driving with that single blue line in the middle, it would have recommended, hey, the car in front of you is going too slow, so why don't we get over? I mean, it doesn't say it in those exact words, but that's how I like to break down these videos. Just regular. I'm talking to you, you talking to me. You're riding with me. You're riding with your main man, E-Vapors. And make sure you don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed to the channel. All right, and share us out on Facebook, Discord, wherever you are. Share us out. Say, hey man, y'all got to go to E-Vapors Tesla Racing. That's Rich Rebuilds homeboy. You need to link up with your main man, E-Vapors, man. And yes, you're gonna see some Rich Rebuild videos on here. We're gonna link up real soon, man, and just have some fun. Have some fun at Electrified Garage and wherever else we decide to, you know, roll through. But check us out, man. This car is driving on its own. As I like to say, it's driving on its own. We're in the future today. But this is a fun car that I like to drive personally. So let's drive this car a little bit. Let's disengage the autopilot. And let's drive this car. I don't know if that van is actually going to speed up or not, but let's see. Let's get over. It's a fun car, man. still on navigate on autopilot if we cut the autopilot back on. Now let me show you something else that I do like about this car. Cameras. You have your rear camera and you have your two door cameras that are always on. This car is always recording. Front, back, left and right view. So you can go back, basically your dash cam, you can go back anytime and take a look at your footage for whatever reason. You know, maybe somebody cut you off or something happened in traffic and you know you have that information available to you. So you can kind of recap and see what happened. But man, this Tesla Model Y Performance is an absolutely fun car. It's a fast car. That's why it's hard to let this thing just drive me, because it's so fun. And you know, I want to be in control. You know, I want to pass people. You know, I want to do that. I don't want a car to have all the fun. Can I have a little bit of fun? And when I get on the when I pass these cars up here and get on the main highway, I want to see if it's gonna turn to the single blue line, because generally if you're on the highway headed to a destination, it will turn to the single blue line for full self-driving. Yes, full self-driving. And it doesn't take exits, at least not right now, at least not my car. So let's put it back on. And you double tap it down twice. Uh-oh. Not in my lane, not in my lane, okay. Y'all saw that. All right, so now the car is driving. So it's on navigation. So I'm supposed to get over. Let me hit this signal. I'm gonna see if the car is gonna get over or not. All right.
Now take the North Carolina 24 East ramp.
Let's see. It's not. I'm gonna have to take over. Lane change is not available. Okay, so that's not available. Let's get back on full self-driving and see if it'll. Oh, look at there. Yes, so we're on the highway now. This is considered a highway. And look, we're going around the turn. I'm not doing any of this. I'm not doing any of this. This car is doing it all on its own. Amazing. It's doing it all on its own. Look at that. Look at that. That's crazy. Look up there. The car is driving itself. All right, touch the steering wheel. That's what it said.
In 1,000 feet, take the North Carolina 24, North Carolina 87 exit on the right.
I got you. We'll take the exit. But look at us. Man, this car is driving on its own.
Now take the North Carolina 24 exit on the right.
Car is driving on its own. It said touch the steering wheel. Let me turn this signal off. There we go. It's driving on its own. Maintaining the speed. It's keeping us in the lane. And I'm looking at my side mirror. Actually, let me cut these cameras on right here. It's not showing the car to my left as of yet, because it's literally just appearing on the actual camera itself.
Now take the
Touch the steering wheel.
freeway ramp on the left.
Not showing any cars. So I could get over right now if I needed to. But we're gonna take the exit up here on the right. Now I don't think it's gonna, I don't think it's gonna let me hit the, now I know I can change lanes right here. Watch this. Look at that. All on its own. Look at that. Just like that. Oh man, come on man. Y'all better stop playing when you let the car drive you.
Take the ramp on the left.
Now I don't think it's gonna take the actual exit.
Take exit 21.
Well, actually we're in the lane. Let's find out.
Freeway south.
We might want to slow the car down though. Yeah, let's slow the car down. We're already on the exit ramp. Now, is it gonna take us around? Let's see. It's looking like it. Yeah. Here we go, y'all. Full self-driving test. It said touch the wheel. I touched the wheel. Look at that. This car is driving, y'all. Look at this car. Look at this car driving itself. It is going around. Look at this car. Y'all see this car bad? Now let's speed it back up. Let's get the speed limit back going. Alright. Alright, here we go. It's asking to get over. Yes, you can get over. Man, did you see that car take us all the way around that exit? and did. Let's get the speed limit back up. You can do everything right here from the wheel. Get the speed limit back right. And we're on our way. Full self-driving. Y'all saw us go around that corner, around that ramp. Y'all saw that. Full self-driving Tesla, man. And it's getting better. And it's not perfect. It's not perfect. And I manage my own speed. I don't know if it would have slowed down or not. If it would have kept me at 55, 65 going around that 35 mile per hour turn. I don't know. I'm not going to try that. But I maintain my own speed, and I'm comfortable. I'm letting the car drive itself. It said touch the wheel. I'm letting the car drive itself. Look at this. Man, these people just be doing some things out here. Now, if I wanted to make sure I captured that clip, I can just touch this button right here, the dash cam button. Look at that, saving dash cam footage. Or I could have beeped the horn. Now, what that just did, it saved the last 10 minutes of what occurred. So ideally, you would want to go ahead and take the flash drive out of the glove box, go in the house, and put it on the computer. Look, it's recommending the lane change because the car in front of me is going a little slow. All I need to do is confirm. And now it's getting over. Let me take over and drive a little bit. Let me drive a little bit. Here we go. Full self-driving Tesla, man. You gotta get you a Tesla. You have to get a Tesla. You have to add all electric to your lineup. No gas. We're not using any gas here. I mean, this car has so much power and instant torque. There's no delay. Just like don't delay in subscribing and hitting the like button on this video.
We duck, no smoke. We die, no smoke. We duck, no smoke. We die, no smoke. We duck, we dodge, we dodge, we duck, we dodge, no smoke. We duck, no smoke. We die.